Vaccine for all. India needs a COVID 19 vaccine policy that ensures total coverage in logical phases. So, India should come up with a policy for COVID 19 vaccine so that by following that policy, every single person in India could get the vaccine. The race to a vaccine is a relay. At every stage, there are people passing on the baton, and it's the government's responsibility to grasp it at the last mile. So, so the race to a vaccine means the way people are going with the vaccines is like a relay. Means when if one discovers vaccine, they pass it to the other one, and they pass it to the other one, and so that's how it is. At every stage, there are people passing on the baton, and it's the government's responsibility to grab it at the last mile. So, and at the last stage, the government should take hold of the vaccine. Whether or not a vaccine for COVID 19 is around the corner, it is imperative that a vaccine policy is formulated for India, ensuring parity for access for all. Um, so, we basically don't know that whether COVID 19 vaccine was discovered or not, but even though it is discovered or not, the main or the crucial thing is that India should be ready with a protocol so that everyone could get the vaccine equally. As several vaccine efforts are progressing at varying paces globally, concerns about concern about access to a vaccine in the future have crept into the narrative. So, as several vaccine efforts are progressing at varying paces, means every country every country doesn't have the same pace in finding the vaccine. Suppose we can say that one country is ahead of us and the other country is behind of us. So each of us have different paces, and whether we discover it or not, the main thing is that everyone could get it easily. Everyone could access it easily. That's the main thing after the discovery of the vaccine. Who- The 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 WHO director the WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus recently spoke of the need to use a vaccine when it comes available effectively. So the WHO director also said that it is not the discovery of after the discovery of the vaccine, it is very important to know how to use it very efficiently. He also indicated the need to prioritize vaccination for some in initial stages, while in the time as production increases, people everywhere should get it. The director of WHO, the director of WHO, he also said that when a discovery of vaccine happens, it is important that we give it to the people at the initial stages, means the people who are young. So basically kids. So kids should get the vaccines first because they have the highest risk of getting the COVID 19 easily. And after giving to the kids all around the world, as the production increases, every person should get it. He also indicated the need to prioritize vaccination for everyone. In the initial stages, global health leaders have been advancing the vaccine for essential workers and those at risk, including senior citizens and those with comorbidities. 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 Um, so he also said that the people who work at the healthcare centers like doctors and etc. I mean the people who have more risk, and I mean the people who have more risk, and also who are working in the hospitals, and also the senior citizens. All of these three should get the COVID 19 vaccine as soon as possible, including senior citizens and those with no comorbidities, and also excluding those three, even these people should get. The people who share similar symptoms of COVID 19, even these people should be even these people should receive the COVID 19 vaccine very soon. As Dr. Tedros said, some people in all countries, some people in all countries rather than all people in some countries should have access to the vaccine in the early phase. So he also said that rather than if you think that the total number of vaccines produced in the in the world is 100, if you think if you think it has 100, a country has 100 people, so we shouldn't give those 100 vaccines to every single person in that country. Instead, what we should do is that we should give the vaccines equally to all the countries, and the equal amount of vaccine which is given to which is given to each country will be used for the people who are at high risk. By doing the thing in by executing the vaccine delivery in this way, we can reduce the risk of the COVID-19 cases. Even in this initial stage, the government should make the vaccine available free of cost of those who cannot pay or at affordable rates. Even in the initial stages, means where usually the productivity rate is very high. Even in such cases, even in such cases, the government should make the vaccine free for the people who can't afford it, or it should at least decrease the price of the vaccine for the people who can't afford it. As production takes off, initial production costs are likely to be high, even astronomical, and it is the duty of the governments to cushion the cost once the economies of scale begin to kick in. It is likely that the prices are driven down and become more affordable. So, as the production increases, what we should do is that as the production increases, obviously the cost of the vaccines decrease, because our economy keeps getting better. So the governments obviously decrease the cost of the vaccine. As it decreases the cost of the vaccine, obviously every single person could get it. As production kicks off, initial production once the economies of scale begin to kick in, it is likely that the price are driven down and become more affordable. Besides being a moral and ethical imperative, it will also make economic sense to make sure that the vaccine is eventually available to all. So, vaccine should be available to all, and that is compulsory. So, if you look from a perspective of common sense, and moral values, we need to save every person, so every person should get vaccine. And when we see from the perspective of the economical side, if the when more number of people get the COVID-19 vaccine, the amount which comes from those vaccines also increase, right? Because as more people buy it, more money comes in for the government. So from both of those perspectives, from both of those perspectives, it is crucial or imperative that every person should get the vaccine. India has a fairly reliable vaccine delivery system for children, as leaving gaps in the delivery of the vaccine will only serve to allow the virus to survive and continue to wreak the further damage. So if we don't do the delivery of the vaccines properly, only we will face the disadvantage. And that disadvantage is that we let the virus to live in the bodies of others, and by doing that, it will still spread. India has a fairly reliable vaccine delivery system for children as part of the universal immunization program. And most importantly, the vaccine delivery system in India is very reliable, and that's a good thing. It may be assumed that the knowledge and the wherewithal to run a full-scale vaccination program rests with the health administration, both at the center and the state level. And to ensure this means the equal delivery of vaccines to everyone, and that can be only in the hands of the healthcare system. When I say healthcare system, I include both the center and the state. However, in terms of scope, this is a far wider, in fact, a mammoth task. But when we think it practically, it is very hard. Mammoth means a huge task, because it is obviously very hard. All the people in the country must have access to the vaccine, and if necessary, periodic doses of it. every person of the country should get the vaccine, and if necessary, and if needed, if we need to go to that extent, we should also give vaccines regularly to some persons. Indeed, the mobilization of for this task in India should be nothing short of heroic, as and when the vaccine is available here. And India must do a perfect job in delivering the vaccines for every person. For every person, as in the vaccine. So as soon as the vaccine comes available to India, it should do a perfect job in distributing it. Meanwhile, the government must get it. Meanwhile, the government must get its act together on developing a policy specific to the COVID-19 vaccine, from preparing resources, both material and human, for the manufacture, storage, distribution, and delivery. So, meanwhile, while the vaccine is being discovered, what India should do is that it should come up with a protocol, or it should implement, it should be ready with that policy, so that every person could get, and also it could do the process very efficiently, needing very efficiently, so that the process needs a less amount of resources. So when it says resources, it includes both human and material, for the manufacture, storage, and distribution and delivery. So in all of these cases, it should come up with a protocol or process. This includes taking sensitive but firm decisions guided by evidence on whom it will receive the vaccine, how and when and where. So, as we just read, it should make in policy, or it should come up with a protocol. So these policies or these protocols, they should include how to execute it, when to execute it, and how to execute it, when to execute it, and where to execute it. Putting down a standard operating protocol for every stage of the vaccine will serve the government well, and when the baton is finally passed on to it. If you do as the author says right now, every person in India will obviously reach the vaccine, and we will have a good ending. Thank you.